thought I'd make a video of this new Tusk Olympus Tank Bag that I just got in yesterday. And I wanted to find a bag that offered maximum room but fit really well and wasn't too bulky or too wide or too long. And I have to say, I think this bag really hits the target. I've gone through a variety of tank bags across different bikes. This is a 2019 KTM 690 Enduro. And as you can see, this bag, I mean, it just lines up really well. Just the whole ergos, and it's real clean. And I've got one of those Raid Garage tanks on the bike, and just the overall alignment and fit and finish of this really works out pretty well. You know, you've got a strap that runs underneath the steering stem, and there's a you know, a good clean wide enough connection point, and then you've got a couple of elastic guiding straps, and then you got another one down here underneath the tank, not the tank, but underneath the back of the bag. This is just really good quality, good fit, good finish. So cool little thing here. You can put your glasses there or whatever. You've got an outside pouch right here. You've got a handle, so if you want to take this with you whenever you are camping or going into a store or whatever. What I really liked was the ability where you can run a cable underneath this, and then through here you can actually have your cell phone. Shoot, you could probably even have an iPad in here if you want to. This is really large. But you can also have a map or whatever else you want to visually see. If I open this up, which these are just, this is, you know, really clean zipper design. If you open this up, you know, this is how you can get access to the clear top there. You've got another pouch right here that you can put whatever you want. You basically, if you want to charge things, this Velcro comes undone, which, you know, you can run from the outside, run inside, and then run up through here. It's got a couple of major compartments, and it's got like little elastic sections that you can put different pieces and keep things kind of organized, and things, you know, keep things from kind of floating around and moving around on you. The other cool thing, this actually came with a rain cover. I mean, this is pretty nice. I didn't have to pay extra for that or anything. And again, you know, just the organization, the amount of roominess, I'm pretty impressed. You've got another little Velcro spot here that you can keep whatever. And then you've got, you know, this system here, elastic, so you could throw your gloves there when you're stopped, and, you know, not worry about those blowing off or whatever else you want to put in there. And so I'm really happy with this. So I'm going to put a link to where you can buy this. I actually bought this through Amazon, and then somehow it makes its way to Tusk or Rocky Mountain ATV, and I got it within a few days. So I was pretty impressed with that. So yeah, I'm going to be testing this out here when I later on this year. We're going to go on a Colorado BDR ride for a week or so, and of course I'll be testing this out way sooner than that. But anyway, if you're interested in this, choose the link that I provided in the description. That really helps the channel. It doesn't cost any more if you do that. So that's all for now. Thanks a lot.